In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the issue of AdGuard Private DNS not working on your Android device. First, let's understand why this issue occurs. Often, when using Chrome on Android, the browser prefers to use its own DNS services instead of the one configured through AdGuard. This can lead to unexpected behavior where websites may not load correctly or ads may still appear. To start fixing this issue, open up your Google Chrome web browser on your Android device. Once you're in Chrome, look for three little dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to access a drop-down menu. In this menu, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down until you find an option called Use Secure DNS. Once you've found it, tap on it. You'll see two options here. Select Use your current service provider. By doing this, you're instructing Chrome to revert back to using the DNS that you've set up with AdGuard rather than any alternative services it might prefer. After making these changes, it's important to restart your Chrome browser. Close it completely and then reopen it. This ensures that all new settings take effect properly. Once you've restarted Chrome, test out some websites. Check if ads are blocked effectively and if pages load without issues. If everything works smoothly now, congratulations, you've successfully fixed the AdGuard Private DNS issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.